Well, guys, it's currently 9 degrees outside. That's as warm, that's the highest, warmest it's been in about 2 weeks. And the Shelby hasn't been started in 3 weeks, so I figured I'd better make a video and start it before the battery runs out completely. Unless it already has run out. And, well, the window dropped down to clear the top, so there is some battery left, I guess. And, so this is going to count as an extremely cold start. $22,037 miles in this car. Oh, there we go. Jeez, it's cold out here. So it did start. Wow. And I bet the oil in this thing is completely frozen. Is it 6-speed? Turn some heat on in here. Jesus. Let's see. Oh, we're full of gas. 18 average miles to the gallon. It's not bad. Let's even get that supercharger gauge too. Go ahead and turn it off. And that'll be it. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Super cold start on the Shelby. Be sure to stay tuned next time. There's more videos like this to come. So, take care, everybody.